Hi, I'm Angie with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today we're doing a demonstration on the Philips Saeco 3200 LatteGo. This machine is a fully automatic espresso machine. What does the Philips Saeco 3200 LatteGo machine include straight out of the box? I've already gone ahead and followed the simple instructions on setting up the AquaClean filter, and that is inserted right into my water tank. Using the filter allows you to descale this machine less often. We have our pre-ground scoop when using the bypass, and that's an excellent feature if you have guests or yourself who at night would like to use decaffeinated coffee, or even if you have another favorite blend of espresso that you want to use. You don't have to go ahead and swap out all of the beans from the bean hopper. We have our food grade lubricant for the brew unit, water hardness test strips, and of course the instruction manual for the AquaClean filter. We have some warranty papers here, a detailed instruction manual in 3 languages, English, Spanish, and French, and then the power supply safety guidelines. Let's get to the fun part. This machine produces 5 beverages plus hot water from a hot water spout. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make an espresso, a latte macchiato, and a cappuccino. But this machine can also make a coffee and an americano. To make an espresso, you press the button once. If you wanted to make 2 doses of espresso, you would simply press this button twice. Now this can be done with the coffee-based beverages, so espresso, coffee, and americano. You're able to make 2 at a time, but the milk-based beverages, you'll be doing 1 cup, 1 serving per time. And you see that little point in time where the machine was just waiting a few moments? That was the pre-brewing, pre-infusion aspect of the machine. So that's actually moistening the espresso beans, which allows to extract more aroma and flavor. I will demonstrate how to make 2 espressos. Simply press this button twice. The red illuminated dot will be right behind the X2, meaning it's going to produce 2 coffees. Then I'm going to press the go button. The new milk system doesn't use any external or internal tubing. It's very simple to clean, very simple to attach and detach, and there's a removable lid, and I'll show you in just a bit how convenient that really is. It produces barista quality, frothed, hot, consistent, and velvety frothed milk for your cappuccinos, your lattes, your latte macchiatos, and so forth. I have selected latte macchiato. I do have some settings here. The strength of coffee, there are 3 different settings, from mild, medium to strong. The amount of coffee, 3 settings. And the amount of milk, again, 3 settings. So you can really customize your beverage. I'm gonna go ahead, now that I've selected the settings I want, and press the go button. And that has produced a creamy, velvety, delicious latte macchiato, and it is quite hot. It comes preset manufacturer standards in temperature, but this machine offers 3 different temperature settings. That's nice. Inside, it's a very simple process that is being used to froth and heat the milk. This is the only carafe on the market that you can simply clean in the dishwasher. Unassembling the carafe, getting it ready to put into the dishwasher is very simple. This unattaches. There's a little notch right on the bottom here. You can hear it unclick. Releases the clear plastic piece from this black structure, and then you can place it directly into the dishwasher. Assembling is very simple. There we go. And again, the removable lid, which is one of my little favorite features. Let's go ahead and make one of the most popular drinks out there, a nice creamy and velvety cappuccino. I'm gonna press our cappuccino button. I'm gonna select my preferences, medium strength, medium amount of volume for the coffee, and I'm gonna keep it set at medium amount of frothed milk. Over here we have the bypass, which you would use 1 scoop of pre-ground coffee and you would add it right there to the bypass. Again, great for decaffeinated coffee, or if you have a favorite blend of coffee, you don't have to go ahead and finish all these beans before you can use a different type of coffee. But of course, remembering to use pre-ground in the bypass only. The true magic with the Philips Saeco 3200 is with the milk carafe. First of its kind, dishwasher safe carafe, no tubing, cleanup is easy, easy to assemble. In combination with the 5 different beverages this machine can make, plus hot water, and the programmable settings with coffee strength, coffee volume, milk volume, and of course, coffee temperature. This compact machine isn't going to take up a lot of real estate in your kitchen, and it also features a very desirable bypass option for those decaffeinated coffee lovers. I'm Angie with Consiglioskitchenware.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to help you make the most informed decision on your next purchase. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay in the loop with what's happening at Consiglioskitchenware.com. Thanks for watching.